Would you like to be able to do this? Or even this?
Keyframes on their own are boring, so this is how we move them to make them pop that little bit more. So once you have the object pop up on your video, it's a bit boring just sitting there. So what we like to do is click here on keyframe, and then we wait to the first move. So just, I'm going to actually zoom this right in. Just as my hand moves, I move the ball up, and I just follow along with that. So you only have to set one keyframe, and then it automatically sets the rest. So just before it moves again, I set a keyframe so it stays where it was, and then I move the ball with it. So it's just traveling at the same speed in which the hand's moving. So once we play that back, it looks like this.
Would you like to be able to do this? Or even...
So it sticks with us. So the next one's the little delivery guy, and rather than having the little delivery guy just sit there, so if I'm saying my program delivers something, I want that to move. So first of all, I drag it off the screen. I move back to the start and hit keyframe. Then as I move here, I drag it across to where I'm pointing, and I follow the point until he finally shoots off the screen. So again, once we go back and play that, so he shoots across. So that's a really good start. And then finally what we can do is add a little sound effect to it to make it pop that little bit more. And that sounds like this.
Or even this.
And that's how you use keyframes to improve your videos. If you want to learn how to add sound effects, then watch this video here.